Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to vertically align text in Excel. If you want to make your spreadsheets look more organized or fit long labels into narrow columns, this tutorial is for you. In Microsoft Excel, if we want to write text vertically, for example here, all we have to do is highlight the cells we want to merge. If we want to put text in this area, first we need to merge the selected cells and then type the text we want. For example, this could be a date. As we can see, the text appears horizontally, not vertically. If we want to arrange the text vertically, all we have to do is click the merged cell, then go to the orientation options. Here, we can choose to rotate the text up so it appears vertically. We can also do this by clicking the vertical text option. As we can see, the text is now vertical. We just need to pick the option we prefer. There are two choices, vertical text or rotate text, both found in the orientation settings. Now we can start adjusting the text to suit our needs. That is how we format text vertically in Excel using simple tools like orientation and alignment settings. Now we know how to write text vertically in Excel.